Come back from Applebee's?
Yeah, I had a drink.
Okay. How old are you?
21.
You're 21?
Yeah.
665, we're just going to play this out now.
My dad is,
We're going to do so we get
Sean Lee.
Who was that?
John Lee.
Sean Lee? Okay. Listen, your bumper's in the road over there. Okay, did you just hit that pole?
No, I promise you I did not.
No? So if someone brings that bumper over here, it's not going to match up perfectly. You're coming from Applebee's, you're telling me. You went out that way. Everything's matching up. Witnesses said they saw a white car cross over in this direction, and I happen to find your car parked here with no bumper.
The bumper was hanging off.
Okay. All right. So, Teresa,
Yes.
let me ask you again.
Yeah.
You left Applebee's.
Yeah, I left Applebee's.
You cut through the plaza. You came out by Lowe's and Chick-fil-A.
Yeah.
Did you hit the traffic pole that's right there?
No, I did not hit the traffic pole.
Do you not remember hitting a traffic pole?
Did not hit the traffic pole, I promise you.
So your bumper's in the middle of the road over there, and there's a pole down.
This part was hanging off already because I already hit something.
Okay.
When I hit a deer in Pennsylvania because I go to school and this part was hanging off already.
Okay. Do you smoke marijuana recreationally?
No, I do not smoke marijuana. I do not smoke marijuana universally.
Do you do any recreational
No.
drugs? But Teresa, I explained to you this before. Lying isn't going to get you
not
anywhere.
lying.
We just need to know the
I'm
truth.
not
You just lied.
lying.
You just lied. We just caught you in a lie.
Can you tell
I
me
just found this piece over by the traffic light by Lowe's. You said that piece fell off in Pennsylvania.
I don't-
You
That's a
told me
lie.
you hit a deer. You
That's a
told
lie.
me a whole bunch of stories.
I hit a deer in Pennsylvania. Can I ask my dad? Please ask my dad.
You just hit a telephone, a traffic light. And that's where this piece was.
And that's probably where that piece was. Yes, I probably hit that.
You did hit that.
I hit it.
You see this?
I hit it here before this. You can ask my dad.
This piece fell off at the traffic light that you hit, that you knocked over. Lying doesn't help anything. Where were you coming from?
I'm not lying. I came from Applebee's. I had one drink. I promise.
Okay, after Applebee's, where'd you go?
I came from there. The traffic light that's right there, and then I came around in there because my house. I would have to go through my traffic light, so there.
Okay, that doesn't really make too much sense either, considering that the traffic light that you took out was on the corner
Which corner?
of the back entrance of Lowe's. So that doesn't make too much sense considering where the damage was and where the pole that you took out was. So, here, ready? Ladesville Road.
Yes.
Lowe's is on the right. You hit the traffic light on the right-hand side of Lowe's with the passenger side of your vehicle, which is where this piece was, which matches identically, which didn't fall off in Pennsylvania, which fell off on
I know it didn't
Ladesville
fall
Road.
in Pennsylvania. I know that. I hit a deer in Pennsylvania,
Well, you also hit a telephone pole today,
Okay.
or a traffic light today.
and I must have hit something today. I'm sorry.
Probably a white car because there's a white bumper right there.
Got hit and then fell afterwards since he said he just left work. It was still up when he was pulling out, and then as he was pulling out...
Is this the caller?
No. Well, he was just hanging out till we got him.
Oh,
He didn't see nothing, he didn't see a car.
thank you for your service.
681, you're advising that vehicle is not involved.
Yeah.
Do you want to just go check 9 South real quick? Yeah, there's a white bumper here. Alright, base, be advised we have a white bumper. Yeah. Yep. Okay.
Council, wait for
What kind of car was
It
it?
was, I think, a white Toyota.
A white Toyota? Did you get a license plate by chance?
I tried to, but the car just down.
Okay, any distinguishing characteristics on it, or just a white?
I couldn't see who it was.
Okay, was it a 4-door, 2-door?
670, I'm going to check 9 South.
It was like a small car, like this car.
Okay. Therefore, just be advised, we spoke with the person who observed the crash. They stated it was a Toyota, four-door, most likely a Camry, or similar model. Possibly 9 south, possibly cross over 9, and continue on Lanes Mill towards Kent. Alright, well, good thing.
I'll check your first one.
10-4. No other description on the vehicle or driver. I beg your pardon? You see those lights? I can park wherever I want. Plus, there's a road hazard in case you can't see.
I see that.
I know you got those big glasses there, but...
What's up, man?
What's up, man? Yeah. Took it out, peeled out, took off. Yep.
Roger that.
So now I gotta figure out who's responsible for these ones.
Have fun with that.
Yeah, thanks. Later. Jace, do we know who's in charge of the traffic light here?
We're trying to figure that out right now.
10-4. It's going to be on the north side of Lanes Mill, near the entrance for Lowe's. That one works, these ones work, so the light will still function.
I know the owner of the property for BJ's had it installed. I don't know if we took them over or if they're still technically the property of BJ's.
That one.
Yeah, we're going to try BJ's first or Green Street around just like charge their traffic light. 9 south until we make it.
Definitely. Basically, you just advise Lakewood. Here's the damage is going to be the front passenger side, and they're missing a piece of the bumper, probably around the headlight area.
Yeah.
There's like information on the actual traffic light.
I think I got it at Wawa. That's where Wawa. 090 Papa Alpha Moment White Subaru.
Alright, I'm going to try to push this side. You try to push that side. We'll just try and see if we can clear the roadway a little bit here. Don't touch any of those wires.
Yeah.
If it doesn't go, don't force it. Alright, on 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. See if we can both pick that up.
Yeah, we should be able to.
They lift it 365 today.
Yeah, there you go.
What's that for a sec? You good?
Yep.
Alright. If anybody's in the area, 10-3. You just bring some cones out. We're able to move it off the side of the road a little bit more, make it passable. Let's go over to Wawa.
There you coffee.
Drive some flares real quick.
You're still up in three? Yeah, am I not going through? I'll just,
Anything freezing though? 665. We're just going to flare this out for now. We're going to head over to Wawa. So when you get here with the phones, just put them where the flares are at. Yeah, should be good.
Nothing missing the cat?
Here, hold this. Hold the water.
Is there a way to... Okay.
Alright, so let's grab one with the cat. We'll light one.
And then like the rest?
Exactly. So we'll use up that one since that's useless to us now. Grab that one too. And then put this one over here. Now just don't run out of flames. So keep the lights on. We'll go through the intersection.
Do you have another unit out with you?
Negative. We just flared off the traffic light. We're heading over to Wawa now.
10-4, can you bring her bumper here?
Hey, firm, we have it.
From Applebee's.
Come back from Applebee's?
Yeah, I had a drink.
Okay. How old are you?
21.
You're 21?
Yeah.
665, we're just going to play this out for now.
My dad is
We're going to go to Wawa. So we get it with the
Sean
phone.
Lee.
Who was that?
John Lee.
Sean Lee? Okay. Alright.
I'm sorry. I think I left my wallet at Applebee's.
Sorry, just keep your hands out of your pockets, please.
Oh, I'm
That's
sorry.
okay. So you're coming from Applebee's right now?
Yeah, I had a drink.
Okay. Which way did you take to go from Applebee's to here?
I went around at the light at Route 9, and I came back from here, and then around back, and then here, because
So
it was empty on gas.
So you went over by like Lowe's?
No, the light.
You came up Applebee's.
I came out of Applebee's, the
Okay.
light.
Which way?
Yeah, the light, Lowe's, I guess, right there, right?
You cut through Applebee's, right? You went through the plaza. You came out by Lowe's, by Chick-fil-A. You made the right, and you had the traffic light right there. Okay. Did you hit that pole that's over there?
No.
You didn't hit the utility
I didn't
pole?
get anything in.
Because your bumper's in the
Yeah,
middle of the
no.
road.
No, I hit the. So do you see this side?
Yeah.
I hit this,
Okay.
At my,
How long ago?
like about a month ago, my ex's.
Okay.
Because he broke up with me and I broke up with him. And
All right, go hang out back over there. Keep your hands in your pockets, please. It's okay.
I'm sorry.
Listen, your bumper's in the road over there. Okay, did you just hit that pole?
No, I promise you I did not.
No? So if someone brings that bumper over here, it's not going to match up perfectly. You're coming from Applebee's, you're telling me. You went out that way. Everything's matching up. Witnesses said they saw a white car cross over in this direction, and I happen to find your car parked here
The bumper
with no bumper.
The bumper was hanging off.
Okay. All right. $670. Do you have another unit out with you?
Can you call my dad? He's a sheriff's
All right.
officer.
Hang out.
I have a postcard.
What's up?
Should be converted.
Negative. I just flared off the traffic light. We're heading over to Wawa now.
10-4. Can you bring her bumper here?
Hey, bro. We have it.
So, Teresa,
Yes.
let me ask you again.
Yeah.
You left Applebee's.
Yeah, I left Applebee's.
You cut through the plaza. You came out by Lowe's and Chick-fil-A.
Yeah.
Did you hit the traffic pole that's right
No, I
there?
did not hit the traffic pole.
Do you not remember hitting a traffic pole?
Did not hit the traffic pole, I promise you.
So your bumper's in the middle of the road over there, and there's a pole down.
This part was hanging off already because I already hit something.
Okay.
When I hit a deer in Pennsylvania because I go to school in and this part was hanging off already.
Okay. Do you smoke marijuana recreationally?
No, I do not smoke marijuana.
What do you prescribe that you put that you had when
I'm a soccer athlete.
I understand. What's the prescription medicine that you had that I
Can I call my dad, who's a sheriff's officer?
let the one officer come here who's out with your other part of your bumper. He's going to talk to you, and then we'll go from there, okay? You go to college?
Yes, I go to I'm a soccer captain there.
Okay.
I do not smoke marijuana universally.
Do you do any recreational
No.
drugs? Prescribed anything else? That's it? Just hang out with this officer for a second, okay? Muting for a conference. Teresa's her name. The car comes back to her dad or somebody else.
I just found your piece next to the telephone pole you just took out.
I hit you told my dad he's a sheriff's officer.
That's great. You smashed the traffic light and left the scene of an accident. And now you're lying about it. Well, the scene's over there. You're over here. You said that piece fell off Pennsylvania, but now you hit something? Let's be
I
honest.
told my dad.
What's with the honest? How old are you?
I'm 21.
21?
I had to
Okay.
drink at Applebee's. I'm like scared out of my mind right
But
now.
Teresa, I explained to you this before. Lying isn't going to
I'm
get you
not
anywhere.
lying.
At least you know the
You
truth.
not
just lied.
lying.
You just lied. We just caught you in a lie.
you told
I
me
just found this piece over by the traffic light by Lowe's. You said that piece fell off in Pennsylvania.
I don't-
You
That's a
told
lie.
me you hit a deer. You
That's a
told
lie.
me a whole bunch of stories.
I hit a deer in Pennsylvania. You can ask my dad. Please ask my dad.
You just hit a telephone, a traffic light. And that's where this piece was.
That's probably where that piece was. Yes, I probably hit that.
You did hit that.
I hit a deer.
You see this?
I hit a deer before this. You can ask my dad.
This piece fell off at the traffic light that you hit, that you knocked over. Lying doesn't help anything. Where were you coming from?
I'm not lying. I came from Applebee's. I had one drink. I promise.
Okay, after Applebee's, where'd you go?
I came from there, the traffic light that's right there, and then I came around in there because my house is I would have to go from my traffic light to there.
Okay, that doesn't really make too much sense either, considering that the traffic light that you took out was on the corner
Which corner?
of the back entrance of Lowe's.
659
Yes, the back entrance of Lowe's. Lowe's
Southport.
so I have to go around there. So I have to go around there. So the DUI road is right there.
Here's, I'm just going to draw this out for you. So here's the corner for the back entrance for Lowe's. Your vehicle came and impacted it on the passenger side, hitting the traffic light. So that means that you were coming from down a different part of Lanesville Road.
You see that Hawaii or Applebee's right there?
Yeah.
Okay, so I would go that way. I would go that way, which Lowe's is right there. Then I would go the traffic lights to the LA Fitness, which is right there, which is my gym. Then I would go that way, which goes down to the Quick Check, which is that way. Then I would make the right. That was that way, and it's pretty wide road. My dad.
Again, that doesn't make too much sense considering where the damage was and where the pull that you took out was. So here, ready? Lanesville Road.
Yes.
Lowe's is on the right. You hit the traffic light on the right-hand side of Lowe's with the passenger side of your vehicle, which is where this piece was, which matches identically, which didn't fall off in Pennsylvania, which fell off on
it didn't
Lanesville
fall
Road.
in Pennsylvania. I know that. I hit a deer in Pennsylvania,
Well, you also hit a telephone pole today,
Okay.
or a traffic light today.
and I must have hit something today. I'm sorry.
So you don't know that you hit a traffic light.
I did not hit a traffic light today.
So you mean to tell me that's just coincidence that this was
I
on?
did not hit a traffic light today.
So again, you mean to tell me that this is just a coincidence that this piece was found right next to a traffic light?
I'm not saying that. I was coming home from my boyfriend's house the one day where I hit a crossroad. You would just call my dad, who's a sheriff's officer. He would tell you this. I hit a traffic.
What's up? Yeah. She's got guacamole everywhere. She got guac everywhere. I was trying to figure out what the green stuff was, and I saw
That's not an Applebee's bag.
chips and guac. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I don't know what
This
this.
fell off in Pennsylvania. I'm saying that I hit the thing in here, and this damaged this here, and then I must have hit something today, and then this fell off. I'm not saying that I'm lying. I'm saying like this.
I'm explaining to you that you hit a traffic light at the corner of Lanesville Road in the back entrance for Lowe's,
Okay,
and then you left the scene.
I did not.
Did you call 911? Did you report it?
No, I didn't.
Did you drive over here? So you
Yes,
left the scene.
I
You
did.
didn't report it.
I was getting gas and I was at zero. If you
What is that traffic light that is right in the middle by Lowe's and LA Fitness right there? That one?
So it's the one on the corner.
On the
So
corner?
if you're coming this way,
Yeah.
Lanesville Road,
Yeah.
it's on the corner.
Yeah.
If you were to go to the back entrance
Yeah.
for Lowe's,
Yeah.
it's the one right before that entrance.
On the low side.
On the low side? Yeah, this rim's all messed up too on this side. So
That's already messed up.
That's what it was?
The other accident.
I know,
That
I
was
know.
right next to.
Yeah, I know.
I was at Dunkin' and the guy backed into me in this accident.
Listen, are you just scared you're gonna get tickets or something?
Yes.
Is that all it is?
Yes.
So you want to just tell the truth?
Yes, I'm telling you the
So
truth.
when after Applebee's, did you hit a traffic pole?
I think I hit something. I remember hitting something.
You can't miss it. It lights up. It's red, green, and yellow.
I remember hitting something after Applebee's. But
Okay.
I'm saying, like,
And then
before
did you drive away because you're scared because you had maybe had one drink and you think you're drunk?
Yeah.
And you might get arrested, but you don't seem like you're drunk?
Yes.
Is that what's going on? So you drove away because you're scared?
Yes.
So you might get some tickets and maybe you might get arrested? Is that why?
Yes.
Okay, so now we're starting to tell the truth, right?
I remember hitting something, but I remember like before this, I already hit something, and he was.
So you're saying there was some damage, but obviously your bumper is over there, like this officer was saying.
This was already damaged.
Okay.
This was already
Okay.
damaged. This fell off because of already damaged.
Okay, but it fell off on Lanes Mill where the pole is in the middle of the road.
I'm telling you, you just
Okay.
call my dad. He would tell you.
Well,
He's a
here's
sheriff's
the
officer,
thing.
I promise
Your dad, the
you.
sheriff's officer, wasn't driving your vehicle today. Your
He
dad, the
would
sheriff's
tell you
officer.
it's already damaged. And they already reported to the
Well, listen,
insurance.
here's the
He
deal.
already reported everything.
Pump the brakes. You're 21. You're an adult. We're trying to figure out what happened with you and driving and leaving the
I
scene of
hit
the
a
crash.
curb.
You hit a traffic signal.
No, I hit a curb.
Yeah, you went up the curb. You hit the traffic signal. The traffic signal fell down, and you
I
left.
was texting. That's why, and I already had damage.
I'm just trying to figure out how, because if you went the back entrance to come out of the Lanesville Marketplace, that still doesn't make sense.
The damage should be on the driver's side.
Because this is where you hit the traffic light.
If I came out of...
Again, I'm telling you that your story doesn't make sense.
That is that way. No.
So what is it? It looks like she was going east on Lanesville, but she's saying she was coming west.
Based on where it is and where
The damage is and everything.
Yeah.
And that's...
I'm going that way.
All right, I'm talking to her. Okay? Pump the brakes. So, let me talk. So, what
This little
you're saying,
kid's messing around.
the damage wouldn't line up. Okay? So,
Okay, maybe you guys aren't understanding. I was that Applebee's, I went that way. I could have curved that way. Which is that way. Which is that road that goes the back way is to the Jackson Quick Check that is like right there and like my house.
Give your dad a call. Now that we've figured out what's happening.
And you're telling someone of the truth.
I still just don't understand how she comes out of that end.
I don't. Is that bag with guac that's on your face and all over your car? Is that from Applebee's? That's from Applebee's. That's an Applebee's bag. Oh, it's not an Applebee's bag.
No, it's Aguero's.
So are you coming from Applebee's or are you coming from somewhere else? Is that from tonight?
Aguero's.
Where?
is that?
It's right there. It's right next to Applebee's.
Just next to that.
IHOP? Teresa.
I just need to talk to her over the phone.
Yeah, I think she's scared she's hanging out with a boy or something, and the dad is. I don't know. This makes no sense at all.
Maybe hanging out with a guy.
Yeah, she doesn't want. Yeah, exactly. Something like that. She spun around or something, or she's going to a guy's house or something. Who knows? Yeah, Teresa.
Teresa, what's your dad's name? John?
You're trying to get caught up.
Yeah.
But,
This is John, right?
you guys looking at the vehicle, you run up this head.
Hey, John, how are you? So your daughter hit a traffic law and I don't know if she's just nervous and scared. She was texting. I don't really know what the deal is. She's kind of frantic, and the story that she was telling us wasn't really making too much sense.
Got it.
Just give me a heads up. She said that she was at Applebee's here now. And then she went back.
How bad's that light? How bad's that light? It's down. It's like in the middle of the road.
But it doesn't make sense because the way that she was
We were able to move out of the road a little bit more.
I mean, that she would be coming further.
We're all nice.
Towards Route 9.
You were texting. You hit a pole. It fell. You drove away.
Yeah, the car's drivable. I'm just giving you.
Just let this officer talk to your dad, okay?
Yeah, I think she just did what was on. Okay, did she get into a crash in Pennsylvania? Okay. Okay. Okay, what was the deal with that crash? Where's the damage on the car?
Okay, the damage on that on the car there, I think, if I'm trying to remember off the top of my head, it was like the front right bumper, and down the side there was some denting and scratching going down the side.
Okay, how bad was the front bumper?
It was the front bumper, yes.
How bad was the front bumper?
Oh, how bad?
Yeah.
It was a little bit of damage. I mean, like I said, it was very dry. Matter of fact, it's funny. I just called today to get an appointment for an estimate for it. But the fog light area was kind of,
Just about missing kind of thing.
Okay.
That's the bottom section.
On the front, was the passenger side.
Okay, all right. Because it looks like the fog light thing. That's, I don't know if it's a fog light or if it's like a plastic piece. So that's gone. The bumper's cracked, and then there was another piece of the bumper right below the headlight that fell off by the traffic light that she took out.
Okay.
All right.
You said took it out. It came down.
Yeah, she took it down. And then she was trying to say that the one piece that was newly missing from this incident was in Pennsylvania from the other crash. So I just wanted to talk to you and get, a better idea of what actually happened there.
The only thing I know is that there was I don't know, it was like a rectangle black thing that was missing. The bumper was messed up. I don't know what piece you're talking about. So
where that
down the side.
Yeah, so where that rectangle black thing is, there's a white piece of plastic. So that came off in this crash. The bumper's kind of hanging, but it is drivable. So that's kind of where we're at right now with this.
All right, no problem. Can I come out? You guys out there?
That's up to you. I'll see if she wants you to come out. If she wants, you to drive her home.
That might be the best thing.
Yeah, she's at the Wawa on by Kent Road.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
So I think it might be best if you come because, like I said, she's upset, still very nervous. So okay.
Yeah, I appreciate it. Let me come out there and I'll see you guys in just a couple minutes. Thank you.
Okay. All right. Sounds good.
Thanks, bye.
All right. License, registration.
I think she lost her license maybe when I first asked her, but she was still frantic before.
You have the keys there?
No, I think it's a fob.
You left it at Applebee's?
She said you had it.
No, I didn't.
She banged the pole a couple of times.
Probably. I asked her when I first pulled here, and she opened her wallet, and it was empty. You know,
Okay.
Is that? I was going to call him next.
who's coming out?
I think it's right here.
License it fell.
Is it?
I don't know what she took off. What does it look like?
This is Celsius.
Is it on a blue and white lanyard?
Yes, yes.
Is it, what is it, in between the door and the passenger? Okay. Between the door there.
Oh,
Yeah, that's what's going on. Is that all right? Yeah. Yeah, you can grab it.
Nice shine job, kid.
yeah. This is my new license. Credit card.
No, I just need the registration and the insurance card. That's all I need. How far is your house from here? 5 minutes. Yeah, you guys gotta come in. Just because you're still very upset, so. That's yeah, take that one. Just the insurance card. No, this is roadside service. Got the military service? Hey, real quick. That was 45. It's the same policy though, right? You still at USA?
Yeah.
What's your phone number, Teresa?
surprised there's so little damage.
What's that?
I'm surprised there's so little damage for
Yeah.
taking out the pole.
Talking.
Unless this is what is throwing me off, unless that's old. Unless when she popped it, she swerved back up the curve.
Doesn't make sense. Like coming out of that plaza.
She's like, well, where was she's? There's no Mexican place right here.
The
where
only thing I
she's
can think of is like Chipotle.
or the place in Rentown. Coming back, she went up, whatever, and came out of Lane's Mill to go back across towards Jackson.
Where'd you get the guacamole from?
So if she went that way,
That also doesn't make sense. Yeah, apparently. So this piece is missing. This is like crap.
she came out of that light. Nah, that doesn't.
Yeah, because she came out of the lake, made a right. That doesn't make sense.
Because either way, to go all the way out there, I don't even know if you can you get to that light from Aruga's, or do you have to go out to come back around?
Maybe it's possible. She went to Aruga's, came out, went into the LA Fitness, came out, took the turn too wide. She was texting.
She said she spun around, right? Do you think she tried to make like that U-turn there and just blasted the light?
So, did you go to Aruga's before or after Applebee's?
It's a little confusing, like the direction of travel and how she hit it on that side.
Well, that's why it doesn't make sense.
I don't get it.
But she also said it was Applebee's, and she thinks she was at Aruga's.
Right up the first when you went to Aruga's.
Yeah, that's what I was just saying. Yeah, unless she came out of Aruga's, realized she was going the wrong way, tried to whip it, and as she whipped it, blasted it on that side, tried to adjust after hitting it, popped the curb on this side.
That makes sense, yeah.
If that's what she did. Because coming this way makes sense if she's going back to Jackson. And then realize she's on east, so she pops in here to try to get gas.
Either way, if she's leaving from Applebee's or Aruga's, you're not going that way.
She still doesn't know.
What's that?
She still doesn't know.
She said she was at Applebee's. Then she went to Aruga's to get the guacamole. I asked her how she got back, which way she went. And she said it seemed like she took the jug handle to go across Lane's Mill, which that doesn't make any sense either.
No.
She's telling the truth here?
I don't know. It's still just not making sense. Because when she hit the pole, it was going this way on Lane's Mill. Because the pole here, the pole falls over, that falls off.
Yeah, because I mean, can you even get to that light from Aruga's? Doesn't Aruga's have its own?
So the Aruga's,
On the
you basically
side?
come out by the
cross over? No, but I'm saying on the side on Lane's Mill. Doesn't it have its own
on
entrance?
Lane's Mill. You come out by. I don't know if it has its own exit by the bank or before the bank, or if you have to go through the AutoZone or whatever one's there.
But either way, though, there's that
And then maybe
curb separation
A
between where
U-turn would
that
kind of
is.
make sense.
Because if she came out this way, not paying attention, she clips it, and then she adjusts and
Because she
clips
said
the
that she
curb
did
on
make
this
a
side.
quick left.
She probably came out, realized she was going the wrong way. She's on her phone or doing whatever. It's like, oh, look, I can just do this. Nobody's coming. Kadoosh. Over adjusts. That's how she gets the damage on this side. She kept going and came back down over the curb. And then
You were able to move that whole pole off the road?
Yeah, we just pushed it over to the side. For an LA. Different story. Yeah. We're going to give him a call after.
say where you're at? I assume he was leaving headquarters, but I don't know. He didn't want to call you because he figured you were doing whatever.
That's it. Eyes are bloodshot.
I know.
Just what you're saying just doesn't make sense. But
Which I don't get why, if like all you did was hit his dad. You know what I'm saying? If all you did was hit the thing, why just tell us what you did?
yeah.
You know what I mean? What are you so scared of? That's what I don't get. What she's so freaked out about.
I guarantee she's probably being on some all about her.
That's what they. That's about it.
Yeah, Rod put everything here.
Okay. So what's the
This guy
what's up?
So, what she's saying, like, and where the damage was and everything, just doesn't really make too much sense. So, tried to get some more information out of her, but
Figures I don't know what's somebody here tonight.
What's that?
You know, somebody. Inzarella? No.
No, not tonight.
It's not here tonight. So this is at a women's school?
yeah. So you know where that guy Church for Lowe's is?
Yes.
Where like LA Fitness is in that intersection.
Yes.
So we got the telephone pole by the Lowe's side.
So it came down.
Came in. And then that piece of buffer there was there. But which we described the other day, which the other black piece. Obviously.
Yeah, no, it was more than that. I mean, that's more than it was.
Okay.
Yeah.
So for the other one, was it just like the bumper wasn't hanging like that?
Yeah, no. So what it was is basically this was intact.
Okay.
This piece was missing, but these scratches here,
Those were all.
that's all from the gear that she tried to avoid.
Okay.
So that's would be
Okay. Because once we described it to me, I was like, it doesn't really take, gives a little power to take out the traffic light.
surprised that's the amount of damage. So who was the who's the officers?
So right now, this is going to be my call. Okay. Supervisor's coming out.
Okay, gotcha.
He's going to be providing all the details.
Okay, who's your supervisor? Not that I'm not. Dude,
I got
I'm just asking.
I got
So what is it looking like now?
That's pretty much it. Talking to targets, after that, I think maybe she made a U-turn there, but okay. Because she said she was at Applebee's, then she went to Aruga's, then left Aruga's. So speaking of Aruga's, if she goes down Nate's Mill,
Just to surprise you or something, I got off work, left shift, I'm on the warrant squad, right? So I just want to show you this so you can see it. I don't know what time you initiate the stop. You home 10:39. So what time did you stop her at? Because she probably got nervous, and I'm not saying we know that's not an excuse. I get it. But what do you think? Time do you think that initial call came? Because she probably hit it and was like, "Dad, what the fuck do I do?"
Probably, I would say, somewhere between 10:45 and 11.
That's about right. Hey, Sergeant. How are you?
10:50.
Right, so that would probably be about the time she hit it. At what time? She texted me originally at 10. I was trying to get some sleep. I just got off work. She said you home at 10:39.
That's about when the pole came out. Yeah, about that. Say somewhere we got it.
Right, so she hit it, then got nervous.
Yeah.
And, okay.
Did she tell you she was going to Applebee's or Aruga's?
Yes. Yes. I'm not sure which one she went to.
Yeah.
But I know that she was going out to either Applebee's or I think she said she got something at Aruga's or something.
Okay.
I'm not sure. Like guacamole or something. I have no idea.
Yeah, we just weren't sure just because, like, when we were talking to her, she wasn't telling us the truth at all. First off,
She was what?
wasn't telling us the truth at all. Saying
Okay.
she didn't know anything, that damage is old. We're trying to piece everything together.
Okay.
Together. We thought maybe she was working on it. Because we're like, well, you're at least going this way on the road.
Yeah, well, she's had some. Well, I don't know who she was hanging out with. She does have an ex-boyfriend. She's off school for the 2 weeks. So, I mean, lying to her because she knows better. I'm a cop. She knows not to do that.
That's
But
what
I
we
mean,
telling in the beginning, like, we just want to make sure that because there might be a car driving around that actually
Right.
hits the car. Because she tries saying, "Oh, this old damage. It happened."
Okay. Okay.
But, like,
Well, maybe she didn't even. Do you think she? I'm not saying she didn't lie.
Yeah.
Okay. I want to be very clear about that.
Yeah.
But she might not even look at the freaking car to see if there's any difference.
Yeah.
You know, but if she hit something, she hit something. She hit something. Yeah, she hit
She
something.
didn't know if it was a hole.
Yeah, she's gonna know she hit the pole, but she might not think like, oh, okay, maybe I didn't get any damage. Like I could see that stupid thing going in her head. So, but a lie's a lie. It is what it is. All right, hey, Sergeant. Hey, how are you? He's going to run her through some tests, all right? Just make sure that she's not impaired. Obviously, you're here. Please do not get involved. You are on. With that? I know. I'm just letting you know. Just please don't get involved.
Eric, you want, I got it. Hey, Drew. Have you watched anybody do these yet?
Do you have a jacket on? Second in the vectorizer.
21.
So why was she initially lying about?
I have no idea. Because it seems like when it happened, she either called or texted Dad right away. That's what we're trying to piece together.
And does we're going here to get gas?
That's why we can't figure out why if you just hit the damn thing. What's the big deal? You know what I mean? Unless there's more. Yeah.
Is that medication?
Assuming she's smokes weed or vapes frequently. They have that like super fruity smell coming out and all the air fresheners hanging.
We don't have a jacket in front.
Where are they from? Jackson.
So for the first test,
It's also an interesting outfit to be bouncing around bars. It's an interesting outfit to be bouncing around bars.
That's what I'm saying.
So we originally thought maybe she was.
I know a lot of times kids they dress like that to school now. That's rolling out of bed and going to pajamas.
But
I'm not even sure it's true though.
that's what we didn't know if originally maybe she was coming from some guy's house. She didn't want Dad to know who she was hanging out with or something. But
they're going to take 9 step out loud. Right? While you do the test, make sure you touch your toe. You step. Look down at your feet so you can see where you're walking. Keep your arms down at your sides. And count each step out loud. Right? You understand the instructions? Okay. You can begin. That's what wants to do. You're going to keep the second on the inside. Right? You stay in that position while I give the instructions that don't start to testify to that. Right? When I tell you to begin, pick the leg of your choice. You're going to raise it approximately 6 inches off the ground. Right? You can stare your toe and count it out. Right? So I'll take this. 2001, 2002, 2003, 2004, and so on and so forth. So I tell you to stop. While you're doing a test, both legs straight, arms out of your sides, straight your toes, count out loud. Now you gotta keep your arms out of your side, okay? Do you understand that? Alright, keep it in. Continue. Until you stop. Put out straight. Alright, push it down.
What it is, right?
Yep. Alright. So at this point in time, based off of the test that I just did and everything that happened today, alright, I don't think that you were okay to safely operate the motor vehicle. Alright, I think that you was great. There's something else going on, so you're good to know what you're doing well.
Base, 1 female, 41. 17 for tonsil.
Dad. Dad. Dad.
Hold on, we'll let you go. Do you have anything to tell your pocket?
No.
Do you need anything from inside the car? Cell phone?
No. My cell phone is in there. My car keys. I did the test right. I don't understand.
So the word indicator said you're not safely, not okay to safely operate the motor
I
vehicle.
asked you what.
Okay, you took too many steps to start it. You missed steps, you able to tell. Going to the one leg stand, there's your arms off the balance. There's a lot of indicators there that you're up there. So we're going to walk through the middle part here.
I'm a soccer team captain. Where's my dad?
Oh, your dad's right over here.
Can I see him?
Okay. Make sure. So we have your cell phone. Do you need anything else from inside the car? Anything else in there? Alright.
You stop with this shit in the car.
Right,
You're arrested for DUI. Go ahead.
Have a seat. I do want you to understand these are traffic tickets, okay? Nothing criminal here. These are motor vehicle offenses, okay? Alright, so stop for 1 second, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you.
Just shut up. I understand. I've seen
You have the right to
Law
talk
and
to a
Order.
lawyer. And have
I've
his
seen
present.
Law and Order.
Alright, so we're going to go to our station now. We're going to do a process. I'll
That's
try to
fine.
review your rights again.
That's fine.
And we'll take it from there, okay?
That's fine.
Alright. Keep an eye on him.
Got it.
Eye to eye. Yeah, sure.
You got the insurance already?
Yeah.
Yeah, they got all that.
Yeah, we have all that.
You have gloves on you?
Yeah.
When, so subsequent to a DUI arrest, you get to get a non-completely invasive search for further intoxicants. Especially something like this, it's probably a combination of alcohol and... But I don't know what he saw on HGN, but obviously the other tests, there are enough indicators for repair. So when he's done over there, he'll come back. You and Eric will probably just look through the car.
Who's the, over here, Mount County?
Yeah. Yeah, it looks familiar.
I don't recognize him.
I think he's on RDO.
What's that?
I think he's on RDO. There's like 100 guys.
What happens with the shit? Like, that is this, it's like all works. I'm sorry. Oh, I'm sorry. Holy shit. I mean, obviously, it's like a fucking bill that's gonna come in the fucking mail or something. Like, what, I don't even
It's
know
a
the process.
so it's not a state.
That's a private one.
Okay.
The actual BJ's Greenleaf, whoever is the real estate entity that owns it, they'll have to do the repairs, and it'll go through your insurance.
Okay.
Yeah, because the insurance, whatever.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
Yeah, so it'll be under one claim.
Oh, I got you.
Yeah. So whatever you're going to do now to get the car fixed through the insurance claim, it'll be through the insurance claim.
Probably gonna be fucking parked. 21 years old.
For medicine and all this stuff's on top of the hood. Just don't drive away with that up top.
He's probably going to need just your insurance claim.
I think that might be the expired reg. I think he had it.
Yeah.
They got all the everything they need.
It's the expired one, I think.
That's the expired one.
Yeah, I think so.
What are the keys in there? There. All right. Thank you guys. I appreciate you guys' help.
Wow.
What's the matter?
Mr. Lee, unfortunately, we're not going to be able to turn her over to you because once we...
Perfect.
I got a kid somewhere? I got something. This is absolutely incredible. It's supposed to be fucking Florida.
No, that ain't it.
This is what? No, can I?
That's a cold medicine. Some type of cold medicine, yeah.
That's not open. Is that open?
No, I don't think so.
Okay, good. What hospitals do they go to?
If that's the preference, yeah.
No, it doesn't matter now.
Yeah, it's probably Central State then, just because it's one of the closer ones.
You're done switching your search thing, so you can set it away. Get my stuff.
Okay. No rush. If you want to move your truck up, you can do that now. If you want to just put it along the curb one. We'll just need the fob. If you want to take the fob off, she got her house keys or anything attached to that, because the tow just going to need the fob to move it.
Are we towing it?
Yeah, it has to get towed.
It has to get towed? I thought you said with John's, it doesn't have to be John's last register for me.
He's the registered owner.
You said I can take it, right? If I park it there? Yes.
All right. So you don't. All right.
All right. So I'm going to park it in that back spot. I'm going to come and get it up.
I did. Yeah. You want to cancel it?
Yeah, that's fine.
81 to base. You can cancel that at 17. I'm sorry?
Take this stuff or no?
Well, that's cold medicine, so we don't need that, and that's sealed, so we don't.
Just confirm you are 17.
Yeah, that's firm.
You need help searching?
No, we're just... Yeah, I'm sorry. I thought they knew that.
Trouble, I can say. Trouble.
Listen, I got 3 kids. I just met them. Yeah.
Oh, so then...
Responsibility that comes with it.
Thanks for pulling over by Maximum Southern told us.
Unfortunately, what happens sometimes is that's what happens.
Yeah, I know.
There's some good kids that sometimes when they do let loose a little bit, they don't understand, like, have problems.
Right. And I was telling him, she texted me probably when she did it, we got 10-6.
Sorry, guys.
I just text her, I'm going to school, but I'm going to Florida, but about work.
Yeah, we're back
And,
around.
not that it would have made a difference. But I thought you could have you want them to see you down. You know.
I don't see anything. I'm not trying to rip the car apart like crazy, so I don't know. And you're saying you didn't even know she was...
That doesn't make sense to me. I can tell you this. The couple times I've seen her in a state that's whatever,
I think he was probably not. Maybe she's not
she
right
just gets very
Emotional?
emotional. So that's what she's uttering is nothing more than that. But
She's doubling down on the mistake, unfortunately. Not thinking.
Yeah.
Not thinking. That's what she's like.
Yeah.
She's not used to having any trouble.
She's never been in
8170, that's a negative on that medication.
I understand what you're doing. So I know it's not malicious, but it's not. So,
All right, son. Thank you. I'm going to move this car over to the back lot.
All right.
I think your son said just let Wawa know might be here for.
Yeah, we'll tell them. They won't care. They don't have any issues with that stuff. This is close.
You want to let the manager know in there?
Yeah, we're probably going to go in there and try to grab a coffee since this came out right away. This is what's in her bag, but it won't make... I don't got to worry about anything like that.
Okay, gotcha. Other than that, we're good. I mean, she doesn't do.
She smoke weed at all? What's that? No, but I'm just asking in general. I'm not trying to...
No, and I'll say this honestly. She tells me everything.
Right.
She told me, I think it was like 6 weeks ago, that one of her boyfriends gave her an edible. She doesn't smoke because she plays. So she wanted to and she panicked. Like she had, you know what's happening when people are doing edibles? Right. She never did it. She obviously just getting anxious to begin with. That's just she but no, I wouldn't unless she
I don't know if it's just a combination of everything. Could be a little alcohol, if she's saying. Could be a whole
Okay, well, you know what? She went
Again,
to talk to somebody, so I'm gonna get my wife and I'll find that out. See what they would tell me. Maybe they wouldn't. I could see my wife saying, "Hey, keep it on the down low." But
are you on RDF?
I am.
You are? All right. I thought you looked familiar.
Well, it's unfortunate. I feel bad.
It's just one of those things where hold on.
Yeah.
Just ending invest.
Step up. Keep concentrating. I'm sorry?
Can you give the news to that?
Thank you. Don't lose it, please.
We're going to put this right here. And when we're done, you get that back. Okay? So we have our cell phone. And the insurance company sends that back.
Over, right?
Please, I tried to explain this to you.
Seriously. Tell people, honestly, like, just get over with it.
I have to read you the statement. There's 9 paragraphs I have to read you. I want you to listen up, okay? Number 1, you've been arrested for driving while intoxicated, NJSA 39:4-50. Number 2, the law requires that you submit samples of your breath for the purpose of testing to determine alcohol content. Number 3, a record of the taking of the breath samples, including the test results, will be made. Upon your request, a copy of that record will be made available to you. 4, after you provided samples of your breath for testing, you have the right at your own expense to have a person or physician of your own selection take independent samples of your breath, blood, or urine for independent testing. 5, if you refuse to provide samples of your breath, you'll be issued a separate summons for the refusal. A court may find you guilty of both refusal and driving while intoxicated. 6, if a court finds you guilty of refusal, you'll be subject to various penalties, including license revocation of up to 20 years, a fine up to $2,000, installation of ignition interlock, and referral to an intoxicated driver's resource center. These penalties may be in addition to penalties imposed by the court for any other offense of which you are found guilty. 7, you have no legal right to have an attorney, physician, or anyone else present for the purpose of taking the breath samples. You have no legal right to refuse to give or delay giving samples of your breath. 8, any response from you that is ambiguous or conditional in any respect to my request that you provide breath samples will be treated as a refusal to submit to breath testing. Even if you agree to take the test, but then do not follow my instructions, do not properly perform the test, or do not provide sufficient breath samples, I will charge you with refusal to submit to breath testing. 9, I repeat, the law requires you to submit samples of your breath for testing. Will you submit samples of your breath?
Yes. Can you just... Serious, can you just get the hair out of my body?
Just hang tight.
Do you have anything inside your mouth? So, open up your mouth and put your tongue to the roof of your mouth.
Is there any way that someone can just wipe the hair out of, like, my eyes and out of my mouth? Like, I'm sorry, I'm just asking.
Stand up, turn around. So we're just waiting on a female officer. She's just going to come search you. All right? In the meantime, we're just going to cuff you in the front, okay? Once you get the hair in your mouth, you can't touch your face.
That's fine. I just, it's in my mouth. So. Oh, sorry. Thank you so much.
Remember. So some guacamole in the face.
Thank you so much.
Do the same thing with your mouth. And tongue to the roof. So now we just have to wait 20 minutes. Alright, and then we'll do the breath test. We'll take it from there.
That's something you're right. Investigation.
I don't believe so. Okay, so I am going to advise of your rights again, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any question if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of these rights is that I am explaining to you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is my dad here?
I don't believe your dad's coming. I think your dad's trying to coordinate getting the cars back to the house.
There's nothing cooler than me.
Well, here's the thing. There's no reason for him to come here because once we're done, you have to go to the house. What's that?
I feel like we were working.
It'll all just be documented in this incident altogether. There's going to be an arrest report and a crash report.
What is it?
You hit a traffic light. The base of it was supposed to come and fall down.
Hello. I'm gonna search you, okay? So I do right here, going in.
You do right here.
While you were doing that.
Doesn't matter. Just checking the pockets and doing a little more thorough search than us using facts of everything.
You say that? Should I leave the cops on? See the girl. No. Yeah, put down. Turn off. I'm just gonna turn your waist the other way. Then lift your arm to me. Sorry, there's a
Good. Alright, good bears. Come sit right here. We'll take these handcuffs off. Just like the corner here. These are just twice more procedures, okay?
You want me to talk to the female officer?
talk to her, but you're under our care and custody right now. Okay. We went over this Thursday. There were rebellion tagging notification in your car.
What?
Well, right now he's figuring out the car situation.
Where'd you take the book? It's in the bag.
Yeah, my patrol bag.
281. Are you and your partner tied up? Alright, you got 659 Timberline Drive, area 3, 24 subject front.
Long deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth.
Sign into the computer. Get the time, call, case number.